So I just found the best new tool for anybody that is creating video content for LinkedIn, and I can't wait to show it to you. Here's the thing with LinkedIn video that makes it different from Instagram and TikTok and Facebook and some of these other platforms that are more focused on video content being the primary draw. On LinkedIn, it's different. People tend to read the caption first before they go to the video. With the other platforms, people are watching the video first, which is why you see creators actually encouraging viewers to go into the caption to capture additional information or to get their call to actions. On LinkedIn, it's the opposite. You need a really good text caption to get people to want to watch the video. And the tool that I found allows you to take your caption of your video and create the perfect text post to accompany it in like 5 minutes. All right, so the tool is called Magic Post. And basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna grab a copy of my video transcript, copy it here, and I'm going to paste it into Magic Post. Then I'm going to go under inspiring. That's the type of post that I want to do. And under the category, I'm going to do a positive message. And I'm going to click Let's Go. And in just moments of time, Magic Post is going to create me a caption for this video that summarizes what I've said, and it's totally legit. All right, now once the post is generated, all I need to do here is first off, I can go here and check out what it looks on mobile because that's how I prefer to view content on mobile. And then I can actually go in and make the edits and turn the AI written content, add my personality, add my verbiage into it. And in 5 minutes, I am able to write a really dope caption for my videos. So I am recommending Magic Post right now to all of my clients to help them take their videos, write captions for them, but also to turn them into additional posts. Take your video, plug it in. Magic Post can create you a brand new post that you can post with an image of yourself or a tweet style image so that you are doubling up on your video content and doing it in a really short period of time. So if you want to check out Magic Post, go down to the description, grab the link and check it out for yourself. It's totally legit. Thank me later. See ya.